Here are 5 sample problems and discussions on how to get the complement of a set or getting the set difference between two sets. Now, all throughout these 5 examples, we will be using these 4 sets. We have set K here, we have set L, we have set M, and of course, the universal set. So, let's start. The very first thing that we should do is carefully replace these sets with its elements. So yung K, papalitan natin ng elements niya. We write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So doing that, we have K is K done. Next, minus, copy. Carefully again, let's write all the elements of L. Doing that, we have... Okay, now, when you are dealing with minus, ito yon, minus, it's the set difference. What you want to do is get the elements ng K, nitong first, na hindi part ng L. Part of K but not part of L. Now, the better way of doing it is, hahanapin mo, aling elements ang nandito na wala dito. So, let's try and check that. 1 nasa K. Nandito ba? Wala. So, 1 stays there. Next, 2. Yung 2 nasa K, nandoon din ba? Wala. So, 2 stays there. Next, 3. Yung 3 nasa K, nasa L din ba? Meron. So, that means we have to sort of cancel yung 3. Okay? Next, 4. Yung 4 meron ba doon? Yes, meron din. So, again, let's cancel. Now, 5. May 5 ba doon? Again, let's cancel. So, in the end, ang natira sa K are the elements 1 and 2. That now is the elements of the set K minus L. Okay? Okay, now, let's try the second one. The second one, again, carefully write the elements of L. So, we have L is 3 minus. Again, carefully write the elements of K. Okay, just like what we did dun sa una, what you want to do is find the elements ng L na wala sa K. So, let's try and check each element. Yung 3, nandito. Nandoon din ba? Naku, meron. So, let's cancel that. What I do is, tugsnyaw. Okay, that's what I do. Parang pag magka-cancel, parang baril. So, we have 4. Meron din ba doon? Yes, meron. Cancel. 5, meron ba doon? Meron din. Cancel. Next, 6 meron? Wala. So, what do we have left sa set L is just the element 6. Now, this is L minus K. Now, if you notice, the first one is K minus L. Next is L minus K. So, as you can see, magkaiba sila. Pag binagbaliktad pala yan, magkaiba din yung sagot. This just proves that set difference is not commutative. Pag pinag-flip mo na yung position, naku, iba na rin yung sagot. Okay, let's try set number 3. Again, carefully write M. Next, minus. Carefully write K. The elements of K are... Okay, again, let's look for the elements of K na wala, elements of M rather, na wala sa K. Let's check each element here. Yung 2 meron ba? Naku, meron. Tugsnyaw. Yung 3 meron ba? Again, meron. Tugsnyaw. 7 meron? Wala. 8 meron? Wala. So, 7 and 8 stays there. Therefore, those are the elements left. The answer is 7 and 8. Okay? Now, sometimes, there are set operations na sama-sama sila. In this particular case, meron ka ng minus, meron ka pang prime. Okay, so what do we do here? What you want to do, kung gusto mo talagang careful ka, is again, replace all sets with their elements. So again, carefully write the elements of K. And then minus. Elements of M, please. Now, don't forget, take note, ito yung possible source of carelessness. You write this or you read this rather as M prime. Pag may prime like this one, it means the complement of a set. Now, ano na nga ang clue pag sinabing complement? Complement, take note, is the same thing as saying it's outside of that set. Now, anong uunahin natin? Itong minus or yung prime. Now, just like GEMDAS or PEMDAS rule, let me write that. PEMDAS. Okay, according to this, P should come first before anything else, or G for GEMDAS. However, wala naman tayong parenthesis or grouping symbol dito, so okay na tayo sa P. Next is exponent. Now, this complement here works like an exponent. Parang exponent din siya. So, unahin mo yan before yung minus. So, what do we do then? What we do next then is write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 muna. Copy na lang muna yan because we need to get this prime first. Don't forget that. Okay? Okay, now, ibig sabihin ng prime is outside. So, ano ba ang elements outside 2, 3, 7, 8? Yung hindi kasama sa 2, 3, 7, 8 pero still part of the universal set. So, let's try and check bawat element. 1, wala dito. So, let's write that. 2, naku, meron doon. 3, meron doon. 4, wala. So, 4. And then 5. And then 6. 7 and 8 are here. So, ito lang ang elements na hindi kasama or outside this set M. So, finally, tapos na tayo sa prime. Done. Now, we have to go to minus. Anong ibig sabihin ng minus? Alin ang nandito na wala dito? Let's cancel those na meron sa both. So 1, meron ba? Meron. Nako, unfortunately, we cancel that. 2, meron? Wala. It stays there. 3, meron? Wala. It stays there. 4, meron? Cancel kasi meron. 5, meron? Cancel kasi meron. Anong natira? We have the elements 2 and 3. Therefore, these are the elements of K minus M prime. Okay, last example po tayo. Now, buti na lang, sinilista na natin to PEMDAS or GEMDAS rule. According to this rule, before anything else, answer first yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. Now, ibig sabihin, this complement will come last. Mamaya na yan. Okay, so again, just like what we did previously, carefully replace these sets with their elements. Let me write the elements of L. Then copy minus. Then M. Carefully. And then close parenthesis. Oh, but don't forget, we have to get its complement. Okay? Now, again, according to the GEMDAS rule, get this first before anything else. So, anong gagawin natin? Get the elements here na wala dito. Let's cancel yung meron doon. 3, meron ba? Naku, meron. Tugs niya. 4, meron? Wala. So, it stays there. 5, meron? Wala. It stays there. 6, meron? Wala. It stays there. Therefore, what we have are the elements 4, 5, 6. So, ito yung difference nito. However, we're not yet done. Don't forget, meron pa tayong complement, meaning outside. Alin ba ang mga elements outside 4, 5, 6? Looking at our universal set, ano ba yon? So, we have 1, wala dito. It's outside. Next, 2, wala. 3, wala. 4 is there. 5 is there. 6 is there. 7, wala. 8, wala. Hanggang dun na lang because these are the elements na lang these are the elements lang ng universal set. Finally, we have this as the answer. So, kapag pinagsama-sama na ang mga set operations natin, don't worry, be careful one step at a time. Carefully write always our elements and then after that, proceed with the operation.